Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, and today we will be taking a look at the best beaches around Jamaica. Fall in love with the dreamy beaches synonymous with the heartbeat of the world. Jamaica has long been praised, with good reason, for our captivating shorelines caressed by the Caribbean Sea. From sandy stretches alongside sapphire water to shadowy shores welcoming surf surges. Our varied beach options will leave you with more colorful memories than a seashell collection. Some of the best beaches in Jamaica can be found along both the northern and southern coasts. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, so you never miss any of my updates. First, we take a look at Jamaica's North Coast beaches, starting with beaches around Montego Bay. In the island's tourist capital lies a tranquil patch of paradise that people around the globe flock to. Flying planes across the sea here, with front row seats right from the shore. The waters of Doctor's Cave Bathing Club, in midst of the pulsating Ip Strip, are reputed to possess remedial capabilities. Its neighboring Dead End Beach, a frequented local hotspot, sits on a smaller scale to conclude the strip. Add a little adventure to your beach day with slides, water sports and go-kart racing for the whole family at Aquasal Theme Park. Now, let's take a look at beaches around Ocho Rios. This coastal town is a wonderful mixture of nature and city life. With a name that translates to 8 rivers, it's no surprise that it is home to an abundance of flowing water. Breathtaking meeting points of rivers and the Caribbean Sea include the exquisite rolling garden of Laughing Waters and the nature-carved stairway of Dunn's River Falls. Venture to the outskirts of the town and enjoy more sandy treasures, like the floating obstacle course at Puerto Seco Beach and rock-framed pools by the beach between the cove at Draxall. Now we take a look at beaches around Port Antonio. French One's Cove Beach is another gleaming estuary, surrounded by spreads of greenery. Swim in the warm, salty waters of the sea before taking a chilled bath in its fresh river water. Just a stone's throw away, Sansan Beach shares the same dazzling jewel color of the deep. If looking to incorporate surfing into your itinerary, visit the rolling waves where it all began, on the island at Boston Beach, or the fine powdery sands of Winifred Beach. Now we move to Jamaica's South Coast beaches, and we take a look at beaches around Negril. The 7 Mile Beach is a continuous stretch of coastline dotted with resorts and local hotspots. The shoreline is home to buzzing attractions such as Long Bay Beach Park and the spirited tropical franchise of Margaritaville. Sink your toes into some of the softest sand the island has to offer here. Now we take a look at beaches around St. Elizabeth. Treasure Beach is affectionately known as a home of community tourism. Populated with multiple eateries, villas and boutique hotels in a small vicinity, relish fresh seafood straight from the boat to your plate at a restaurant within this fishing village. Not all areas on this group of coves and bays are ideal for a swim, but where it may lack smooth seas is filled to the brim with character. Now we take a look at beaches around Kingston. It may come as a surprise to many that Jamaica's capital city also houses several swimmable beaches. Darker shores cover much of the south coast, which can be found at Jamnesia's surfing mecca as well as Bob Marley's Beach, both within the late reggae icons community. Journey by boat from the historic former pirate city of Port Royal to offshore patches of white sands at Line Cay and Maiden Cay. Whether seeking a quiet getaway, where your only concern is how much sunscreen to apply, or filled with the warmth of both our tropical climate and local hospitality, the treasure trove of beaches here in Jamaica will be sure not to disappoint.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
I hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, remember you can subscribe to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the blue bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, I just want to say stay blessed.